Want to see true faith in action? Let's dive into the fiery furnace story from Daniel 3. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego faced a blazing furnace for refusing to worship a golden idol, boldly standing against King Nebuchadnezzar. In Daniel 3 verses 17 to 18, they declared, "If we are thrown into the blazing furnace, the God we serve is able to deliver us. But even if he does not, we will not serve your gods." Miraculously, they were unharmed, and a fourth figure appeared with them in the fire, symbolizing God's divine protection. Like them, God promises to be with us in our struggles. 1 Peter 1 verse 7 reminds us that tested faith proves its genuineness. Stand firm in your faith. God's presence protects you, even in the fire. Like, share, and subscribe for more biblical insights.